Okay, just a few quick caveats to get out of the way before we get into this one. One, yes, this is a ridiculous video comparison, whatever you want to call it, and it doesn't make any sense. Two, no, I didn't use manual anything. I just hit the record button in video mode on both cameras. Three, I think we're on three. Yes, I know the focal distance and the lens and the crop and the 4K on the G85 just doesn't really work, and I'm working on that. Four, I didn't use any external microphones. The audio is kind of bad, especially in the windy sections, and that's okay. Five, yes, color grading absolutely would have helped, especially with the G85, but where's the fun in doing a comparison of the raw things that come out of a camera if you're going to change all the things that come out of the camera? So I didn't. This is just hitting record and seeing what happens straight out of the box with no custom anything. Whatever number this is, both cameras were set to 24 frames per second, 4K mode. That's a massive field of view on the FDR-X3000 and really crops in kind of tight, especially since you're starting with a fairly small micro four thirds sensor on the G85, but they're for different things and they both suit the needs that I got them for. And sixth, seventh, yes, I should be packing for my trip, and I will probably get around to that, but right now this is much more fun, and I've still got a little bit, so yeah. Hey guys, I don't really have time for a full video right now because I am prepping for Easter stuff and I've got 2 trips coming up and it's crazy. So instead, I wanted to do a really quick comparison. This is more for me than for you guys, but this is the camera that I used to use, the Sony FDR-X3000, and the camera that I've started using for video more recently, the Panasonic G85. Neither of them are new cameras, neither of them are cutting edge, but they're vastly different and not really something that you would ever compare. One's a water-resistant action camera with a dive housing, and the other one is a interchangeable lens mirrorless. But for the sake of comparing what I usually shoot with, I figured I might as well make a really quick video. So, this is video and audio coming from the Sony FDR-X3000. This is our wonderful guard dog Penny. Say hi. No. And this is the audio and video coming from the Panasonic Lumix G85. Again, vastly different cameras, different purposes, and different uses. And as a side note, there's no ND filters on anything and it's really sunny, so I just kind of did this quick. Yeah, here's a quick shot of walking with both cameras so you can see the stabilization. This is what walking with the Sony is like. And this is walking with the G85. So again, this is really a horrible comparison. These cameras aren't remotely similar, and they are built for different things. They have different focal lengths, different f-stops, different lenses, different focusing techniques. Primarily, you don't focus with the action camera. It's always focused on everything. And you're only focused on my face, I hope. But, yeah. That's my camera setup. So I guess at this point I should probably actually start packing for my trip because it's coming up really soon. Thanks for hanging out, thanks for enduring the random videos, and I hope you guys have an excellent Easter. I will see you next week, or whenever I'm able to edit all of the videos that come out of next week on my trip up to Goroka.